In order to use the equation editor, first click in the area where you would like to put your equation. Once you see the cursor where you want it, go to your toolbar on the top and click on Insert. You'll see that all the options at the top here change, and you're looking almost on the complete right, and you'll see the button that says Equation, the little pi sign. If you click on that pi sign, you'll see a box opens up here for you to type your equation, but also at the top gives a whole heap of options. So you can see that there's your equal sign, your times, your divide, all sorts of other various options if you click on the down arrow. Included are other categories which you might need in later years in mathematics, especially the geometry one and some of those, but at this stage you're probably just going to need to stick to the basic math category. Just to the right of that are some further options. You click on the little down arrow, it gives you different options for fractions. Again, you're probably going to stick to the first one. The second option up at the top is the word script. That's almost like your exponents. So if you click that, you can see it'll give you an option for a number with an exponent. Obviously, that's going to be important. It doesn't have to be a number. It could be a letter when you're looking at squaring things. Okay, so let's have a look at doing an example. I'm going to press a whole lot of buttons here, and I'm going to say the area of the circle equals pi. So I'll go look for my pi button up here. You will find the pi button by going to your Greek letters, and you will see it right towards the end of the first column. So it's pi, and then I want my squared, so I'll do that again slowly. I'll go up to script, click on the down arrow, and I click on the first one. I'll put my R in at the bottom, I click on the exponent part, I'll put my squared. If you want, you can go back to your basic math category at the top, and you can put your multiplication sign in between them. If you press enter, it goes out of the equation. So you'd then have to just go insert equation again. However, if you want to carry on, you can say equals, and you can put your pi in. Again, it's under Greek letters. Pi multiplied by, let's pretend our radius was 5. So we can say that, let's 5 squared, which equals pi times 25. As I said, equals pi. Again, we look for our pi times 25, which equals 78.54. And now what we can do is we can just go and click enter for every equal sign. So now it's all nicely set up. We've got the formula to start, we've substituted in, and we've got every little step, but we're not finished. What type of measurement was it? We didn't give those, so let's make one up. Let's say, I'm going to go to my script again, I'm going to say centimeters squared.